guys, it's Arena. I hope you're all doing well. I am back with another haul video and I have a massive Korea haul for you guys. I picked up so many cool pieces. I feel like in Korea they have a lot of like really cool sets, so I picked up a whole bunch of like top cardigan sets, so I'm just going to quickly go through them. I have this gorgeous blue and green set. I don't really know if this is like tie-dye or not, but it kind of has that tie-dye effect. But it came with this like really cute halter neck. You just tie it at the back of your neck, and then the cardigan that it comes with is literally so gorgeous. It is this beautiful like scallop trimmed cardigan in the same kind of color and pattern, and then there's like a little tie detail at the front, and I just love that the scallop trim is like all throughout the whole cardigan, and even the sleeves. I love a little wide sleeve moment, but of course I will insert try on clips for you guys. I also picked up this gorgeous white ruffled set as well. It's this gorgeous like little singlet top, and it has ruffle detailing at the top, which is so nice. And I don't really know what kind of like pattern or fabric this is, but it's got like this knit kind of detailing, and then it's asymmetric, so it's longer on one side, and then the cardigan that goes on top of it is in the same kind of pattern, really pretty. And then it just has two tie details at the front, and it's really cute because the asymmetrical singlet like kind of like sticks out underneath it, and it gives it a really cool like layering effect, which I love. And this is probably one of my favorite sets that I picked up. It's also really simple, but it's just like this really pretty pastel blue kind of like singlet top, a little bit of scallop detailing at the end to match the cardigan. I just like this one because it's like really comfy. It's like an oversized cardigan. I just throw it on top and it just feels like super cozy and comfy, and it's got like a wide arm, the scallop detail on the sleeves and also like at the bottom, and it also buttons up, but like it's really big and oversized, and it's just like a really comfortable, easy to wear material, which I love. So this is probably one of my favorite cardigan sets that I picked up. I also got this set, which is really cool because it actually is like two different colors. All of my other sets are probably the same like pattern and fabric, but this one actually comes with like a checkered gingham Burberry kind of color palette singlet. It's got some scrunch detailing in the middle, and this one actually has padding, so I don't have to wear a bra, which I love, and it's so cute. And then the jacket is this gorgeous rich brown color, and it just has like ruffling detail all along the neckline and even the sleeves. So they're kind of like balloon sleeves, and they have little frill detail at the end, which I literally love. This one also has a tie front. It's just so cute, and like I reckon together it's such a nice set. Literally love, so adorable. I also picked up this set. I don't really like this set that much compared to all the other ones, but it's not too bad. It's this really gorgeous like green color. It's really cute. It just comes with a singlet, but then this top is like kind of a sweater. It's like an off-shoulder kind of like wide neck type of vibe, but it's got this gorgeous like scallop trim along like every single edge as well. I love the little scallop detailing that they add to all their pieces. I feel like it just makes it look so much softer and cuter, but I don't know, I just feel like this one just doesn't really sit that well on me. I feel like it looks probably really, I feel like if you're a bit smaller than me, I feel like it'll look really cute on you, but I just don't really like how it looks on me. In Korea, you can't really try on any of the like top pieces, I think because they don't want girls getting makeup on them, so they don't let you try them on, so you kind of just have to buy, and everything is normally like free size. I did also pick up this extra crop knit sweater as well. I also don't really like this on me either, so I think I bought it, and then when I wore it I was like, I don't like how it looks. I wish it was a little like baggier and oversized. I feel like it just fits, but I don't really like that style. Like I feel like I like these kind of looking like oversized and baggy. I feel like it just gives it a cooler vibe, but it's this really gorgeous pale green color, which I liked, and it's just like an extra crop to just throw on top of an outfit. I did also actually pick up another sweater, which I don't think is in here because I recently wore it, but it's a gorgeous like white oversized knit sweater. It's like a really thin knit, so it almost looks see-through. You can kind of see underneath a little bit, and I like how wide the neckline is. I'll insert a clip of me wearing it for you guys, but it is super pretty, and I wore it a lot when I was traveling. This is another really cute top that I got. It's this like ribbed pale blue. It's got like kind of a white thread through the blue as well, which is really pretty, but it's like a ribbed long sleeve top. I feel like it's a button up, so you could wear it as a jacket, but I feel like because it's tight it looks better as a top, but I think it's really cute. I do have to wear like a top underneath this because it's kind of tight, but it's so nice and soft, and I really like this top. I wore it to a concert and I thought it was really cute. I also picked up these two cardigans, which I was absolutely obsessed with. Found this cardigan at one of the stores in Korea and I thought it was so cute, and I was kind of upset because I found it for cheaper at another store and it had this color as well, so I could have bought like two for probably like the price of one, but I bought one and then I just bought another one because it was cheaper. But I also do like the white, but it was just such, it's just such a cute cardigan. In Korea you really do have to shop around because a lot of places sell the same thing and you can probably find like different areas that have the thing that you want for like a little bit cheaper. But this cardigan is just so adorable. It just has such cute cottagecore vibes. It's got like this knit detailing. I don't know what these like kind of knit style is called, but it's just so cute, and it's like a wide sleeve and then it has the scallop trim at the end as well of this one. I just think it just looks so cute. I like how it sits. It gives really like cottagecore, cozy, cute vibes and I live for that. So I picked it up in a beige and then I found it again in a white, so I picked it up too, and I think it's just like perfect. So adorable. I literally love the detail. It just gives such cute cozy vibes. But I did actually pick up this top in Korea as well. It has like purple flowers and like this gorgeous ruffled lace detailing with these crystal buttons. It kind of has a corset vibe, which I like, but it actually had really weird sleeves. I don't know, but the sleeves kind of like sat at the boobs and I just hated how they looked, so I kind of took them off and replaced them with these ribbon sleeves, which I think just elevates the top a lot more and looks a lot cuter. I really like how it turned out. But yeah, this top actually doesn't come with the sleeves. I just attached them. I did a kind of bad job at the back as well. I accidentally stitched the ribbon on the outside instead of on the inside, but my hair covers it and I couldn't be stuffed, and the fabric was really delicate, so I didn't want to like take it apart and re-sew it because I feel like I was gonna like punch a hole or something. But yeah, these sleeves I ran out of ribbon, so like I had to attach it to another strand, which is a bit, I think I cut it too short and then I didn't like how short it was, so I attached it by sewing it, but it looks a bit rough. But let's just ignore that and admire my cute little DIY project. I love how this turns out. I think it's really cute. But yeah, those were all the tops that I got. Oh, actually I got this top too. This is probably the only other top I got, which is this really cute scallop trimmed ribbed green tank. I just love the frilly detail and I feel like this is such a nice easy basic just to throw on, and it looks like really cute and pretty. So nice. But yeah, I think those were all the tops. So let's go into kind of like the pants. I only really picked up one pair of pants. I actually picked up two, but I kind of got scammed on my second pair. But I did pick up these really gorgeous taupe trousers. I absolutely love these trousers. They fit me perfectly and I just love how they look. They're just like perfect. They're a gorgeous wide leg trouser. They have some pleat detailing at the front and I just love this tie detailing on the side here. I think it just adds a little something extra and I love that. So cute. I wear these all the time. But yeah, I'm really sad because I actually bought a pair. I think it was like a creamy beige pair and it was like a tie detail waist, like it was a drawstring waist, and then they gave it to me in like a plastic packaging, and when I got home and opened it, it was like a culotte. It was like a button up culotte, so it was like a quarter length pants, and I was like, I don't wear these types of pants. Like I wear like wide leg floor length pants, not like quarter. Oh, I threw them into like my sewing pile to see if I could fix it and turn them into shorts or something. But yeah, I was really upset about that because I really liked the pants that I wanted to get, and I feel like you really should check all the items that you get in Korea when they give it to you in like a plastic pocket, because sometimes they won't give you the right thing. I did also pick up these two skirts. I literally love these skirts. I wear them all the time, but they're this gorgeous, like, it's not linen, but it's like a soft, it looks like linen, but it's like a softer, thinner version of linen, and it just feels like so comfy and cozy. And I picked it up in a white and a cream color, but I just love these skirts. They have like gorgeous scallop trim at the bottom, which I think gives it that cute cozy vibe, and it's like flowy and nice. I don't really like that the fabric is really thin though, so you can kind of see through it and you can see the lining, and the lining like stops here, and sometimes I feel like it looks weird when I wear an outfit and then you can see like the underline area where the lining stops and then you just see my legs. I just think it looks kind of like cheap and I don't really like it, so I want to add like another layer underneath just so you can kind of like, just so you can't see through it as much as you can. But other than that, I literally love these skirts. I wore them so much while I was in Japan and Korea because I was getting into my long skirt era, and these were just like perfect and easy, and I just loved how cute and whimsical they looked. Those were all the kind of like bottoms that I picked up in Korea, but I did also pick up a few dresses, and I literally love the dresses that I found in Korea so much. But I actually picked this dress up in Myeongdong or Hongdae, and it's this gorgeous like light blue white kind of rose print. It's like a watercolored rose print, and it's just so beautiful. It's like great quality. It's like a gorgeous cowl neckline. I love this neckline. I feel like it just looks really flattering on me when it's done right, and I love this dress. I think it's absolutely perfect, and I actually thought that I got scammed on this dress because I think the one on display said it was like it said it was like $30 or something, which is so good for a dress. But when the guy was like adding up like everything, I saw him like going through all the stuff, and then when he got to this dress he was like 35, and I was like, oh, I thought it was 30, and I was like, oh, is he trying to add like a few extra dollars on top because I'm a foreigner? But I was like too scared to say anything, but I was like, oh, whatever, it's like $5, like I'll just pay it. And then I met up with my siblings afterwards, and I was like telling them that I was really sad because I got scammed. And then it was really funny because my sister took it out of the packaging and it ended up being like this gorgeous long dress, because the one that I saw in store was actually like a short version, and I really liked it, but I didn't like where the length of this dress was. Like it was above the knee, and I tend to like my short dresses relatively short. I just think they look more flattering on my body type, so I was gonna try to like hem up the dress and make it shorter. But then when my sister pulled this out and it was like longer, I was so happy because I feel like this length is actually perfect for this style of dress, and I am so glad that I didn't get scammed. The extra length was worth the $5 extra because I would have definitely paid $35 for this dress. So perfect. They did not have a long one on display, and I think that when he was like grabbing it from the pile, he just grabbed any dress and it said 35 on it, so he just put it through, not realizing that it was like the long version. I'm not too sure, but I'm so happy. It was a happy accident and I didn't get scammed, or it was like a good scam instead. So I love this piece. I'm so happy. And then I picked up these two other dresses. I think I got these at like a random marketplace, but they had this random shop full of all these gorgeous dresses, and we found these two which we loved. But this is just like a really gorgeous beige long. I've been in my like long dress and skirts era and I have been loving it. But this gorgeous like beigey cream color with pink red tulips or roses. I don't really know what type of flower they are, but they're a really gorgeous like dark pink color, but I think it just complements the color of the dress so perfectly. It's like sultry and sexy, and it's got like ruffling detail up here and then a kind of corset front, which is so beautiful. Absolutely love. I wore this to a wedding. So pretty. I did also pick up this dress, and this was probably my favorite dress that I have ever owned in my whole entire life. It is just so perfect and beautiful, and it is this gorgeous blue floral print dress. I love floral dresses. I love long floral dresses, and this one is just perfect. It's like cute cottage. Like, look at the print. It's got like so much dimensions to it. It's this beautiful like faded floral kind of print. There's like this lace detail on top of it. I don't even know what it's called, but it's so beautiful. And then it's got like a scrunched neckline and then a little tie bow in the middle, and I just love this dress so much. But that is actually everything that I picked up in Korea. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!